Laser Packer is a cool and handheld laser engraver. It is super small and good looking. Easy to install. Connect to your phone app. Select an image. And start engraving. Make your inspiration come true. Laser Packer engraves on wood, leather, and various materials with a unique galvanometer technology. Laser Packer can be used in small, handmade studios. Make your ideas creative. Exclusive protective cover provides better security. Gives you the best user experience. Laser Packer is small and portable that you can take it everywhere. Connect to your power bank. Laser your idea anytime, anywhere. Laser Packer brings surprises to life, makes communication more interesting. Take a photo with your phone. DIY it. And decorate your home. Laser Packer can also carve seal. Have fun with family. Make your life more fun with Laser Packer.